Today we're going to go over how to draw Gwimbly from Smiley Friends. So it's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so let's follow along, alright? I'll teach you the best way to do this. First thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to start with Gwimbly's eyes, okay? So we're going to start a curve shade up over here for kind of the outer portion of the eye, kind of the brow. His eyes stick upward. You can draw like a zigzag right there because a little bit of fur kind of thing on it. Line over here for the eyelid going down. Curve up. So it's down over here on this side. Okay. And curve down here. And a curve over here on this side. Okay. Circle for kind of the inner eye right there, the iris. Let's put a dot right here on this side. And let's go over to a line over here. Let's go to the other side. Right there. That other eye, it's sticking upward. In front of this though, we're gonna have the nose. He's got this kind of gonzo nose that comes out. Down. Or like Alf. I don't know if anybody remembers Alf. Line over here. Curve line down for the actual exposed eyelid, right, the eye itself, and then line right here and dot in the center. Right on. So far so good. Curve right here underneath. And we're gonna, it's like downward. It's really like an elephant trunk, I would say. It's probably what it's most like. Curve over here. And he's got like an actual kind of goofy nose as well, like Goofy from Disney or whatever. Circle right there, and we're gonna we put a highlight in that, and now we're filling out the rest. Right on. Down over here for kind of the smiling area. Smile right there. It's a pretty big smile. He's got a pretty big mouth for the most part. Curve down, out. Right on. Bottom lip. Right there. Right there. He's got like really big teeth, so one tooth right there and then one tooth in the back. His face goes down a little bit over here, and he's gonna have a little bit of a fuzz sticking out the side right there. Neck goes downward right there. It gets curve over here downward. Go over here to hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answer them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head. And that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. Brim of the hat. Over here, he's wearing like this baseball style hat almost. Down. Sorry, I forgot about the inside of the mouth. Curve right here for the tongue, right there. And we're going to fill it out. Fill it out. Curve up for the back of the hat. Curve over here. Down right there, right? It's got this top of the cap. Line over here, down for that side. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Gwimbly, if you like the way I'm teaching, we're talking here. Let me know. Okay, let me know. I want to really hear your feedback and say, hey, what's up? How's it going? Because I answer everything. So line right there for kind of the, how do you saw it? The collar of the shirt that he's wearing, pulling in, and here's the rest of the shirt. Okay, curving down right there for his pectoralis, and then his stomach. Collar on the far end, and right there we got the kind of a sleeve of that shortcut shirt that he's wearing. Back over there, down, curve down over here for kind of the collar, the rest of the collar, downward, out, down, up, up, down right here. So we're gonna vignette it, meaning we're not gonna put like an end to anything over here. It's just gonna be right there. It's gonna fade off, which is kind of like, you know, an attractive way to end like a drawing. Pretty much you do that. Line down over here for his arm, a line down here for his arm. So this is like, to me, an attractive way to end a drawing. But we're, you know, as far as like where it ends on the page, it's not over though, because we're gonna go into maybe some smaller details here on his face. So right now over here, let's go on through a little bit of bag under the eye on that side. And you want to draw like details like that with thinner lines because it just seems better, and it's you know, I don't know, it works a lot better. We can throw, he's got thin little designs on his shirt, maybe something like that, like a box shape. And he also has these squiggly lines. It almost looks like his shirt looks like the floor of a skating rink or in our old arcade. But whatever you put in, so it's squiggly, a squiggly or a triangle, right? Or I'm seeing like little stars like that. So just stick to those three. And you can kind of put them indiscriminately, but for, let's say, the triangle like this, you want to make it 3D. You want it to have like a little bit of depth. So you have to draw another triangle inside of it. And just kind of draw them freely around. Like I said, and these are kind of like how you feel, like where you want to put them. Because if I was to redraw this drawing, see squiggly line, make that squiggly line a little bit thick. If I was to redraw this drawing, I might put these in different spots, right? Line over here to show some fuzz at the edge there. Maybe a line right here for the tongue. Curve line over here. And he's got a little bit of stubble too, so maybe like, and don't draw it everywhere, just draw it a couple of spots. Another thing you can do with a color is he's got a color differential right here, so line over here, like so. See, so that's going to have a different color to the top and the bottom right there. And let's go into the other side of the shirt over here. So same thing, pulling out like these squiggly lines, but giving them a little bit of thickness there. You want to throw like into those lines. And then maybe a couple of lines right here on his shirt. And then right here in his pectoralis area, right? He's got like an open shirt. But either way, Gwimbly, I watch, you know, a lot of this show. I don't know, is he in the new season? Can somebody tell me? Maybe I missed him. But do you like Gwimbly? Let me know. Let me know. Line right there. And everything from this point is going to be little details. Maybe line right there on one tooth and line right there on another. But that is pretty much it. If you like the way I taught here, please consider sharing a video somewhere. It really helps the channel out. I love, you know, hearing from you guys as well, so definitely communicate with me. I have a free ebook that I probably talked about already, but check that out. There's a lot of cool free downloads in the descriptions, and don't miss that. And on the community page, a lot of cool stuff I post there, like a lot of value, a lot of really cool, interesting stuff I post on that. So pretty much it. Let's do another lesson together. So stick around. Let's do another lesson together right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.